Have you ever entered a trade thinking that the trend was bullish, only to watch price reverse right after your entry? It's frustrating, right? But it's not your fault. Most traders don't actually know when the trade has reversed. They rely on lagging tools like moving averages, trend lines, or breakouts, and end up reacting instead of predicting. But institutional traders read something deeper: the market structure itself. And that's where two powerful concepts come in: change of character and break of structure. Stay till the end of this video because I'll explain what they mean, how to use them, and show you real examples to understand how they actually work. And finally, you are going to read the trends like a professional. When I first started trading, I was thinking that identifying trend is really simple. If the chart was going up, I would buy. And if the chart is going down, I will sell. But time after time, I found myself entering right before reversals. The moment I bought, the price dropped. And the moment I sold, the price shoot up. I felt that market is hunting me, and in a way, it was. So I decided to review every losing trade I have made. That's when I started seeing a pattern. Before every major reversal, there was always a shift of structure. A higher low breaking or a lower high getting taken out. And that's when I realized the real language of price: BOS and CHoCH. Those two words changed completely how I look at a market. So let's start with the basics. Price doesn't move randomly. It moves in waves. Higher highs and higher lows in uptrend, and lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend. So what is BOS? BOS stands for break of structure. It happens when price breaks the previous high in an uptrend and it breaks the previous low in a downtrend. It confirms that the current trend is still valid and buyers or sellers remain in control. Now what about CHoCH? The CHoCH stands for change of character, and this is a game changer. It's the first sign that the market may be changing direction. Imagine price has made higher highs and higher lows, and suddenly it breaks most recent higher low. That's a CHoCH, a sign that the market's structure has changed from uptrend to downtrend, or it has been changed from bullish to bearish. In simple words, BOS confirms the current trend continues, and CHoCH is the first sign that the trend is reversing. And together, they tell the market story. CHoCH whisper the change, BOS confirms it. And remember, when we say liquidity, we are referring to levels where the orders are resting. If you are not sure what liquidity means, you can watch the video above for a full explanation. Now let's see how it works on a real chart. Imagine price is trending upward, forming a sequence of higher highs and higher lows. Each time price creates a new high, that's a BOS confirming the upward trend. Then price retraces and breaks the last higher low. That's your CHoCH, the first warning that the momentum may be shifting. Now if price forms a lower high and make a break of structure to the downside again, that's your BOS in opposite direction, confirming a downtrend. And the same logic works in reverse for bearish markets. A CHoCH to the upside followed by a bullish BOS signals a new uptrend. Okay trader, before we continue, I want to take a short moment to tell you about what we are building at TradeX. We develop high quality products for MetaTrader 5 and you can easily purchase them on mql5.com. And if you don't know how to buy a product, you can watch the video above where I show the full process step by step. We have a wide range of tools from trade assistance and smart SMC and ICT indicators to automated systems that bring institutional logic on your chart. These are not one-time projects. We continuously add new products and optimize our existing ones every day. So make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated whenever we release something new. Recognizing the trend is not about guessing. It's about understanding the market structure. Every candle tells a story, and CHoCH and BOS are the punctuation marks of that story. CHoCH tells you when the tune changes and BOS confirms the current direction. Once you learn to read this, you will stop chasing trends and start catching them. And yes, you can build a full strategy based on CHoCH and BOS. If you are not sure what is the meaning of a trading strategy or you don't know how to build one, you can watch the above video where I explained step by step. So remember, CHoCH is an early signal for trend change and BOS is a confirmation of current trend. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe to our channel and comment smart structure below so we know that you want more videos like this. This is TradeX, where we trade fast and think smart. See you in the next video.